Volodymyr himself, no particular religious preferences, maybe flirted with Islam at one stage in his life, certainly tolerant of, encouraging of pagan worship in Kiev when he took power in Kiev in 980. We know that Perun, the god of thunder, was worshipped. What he had was an opportunity, and he took it. The great power in the south, the Byzantines, were in internal turmoil. There was a rebel who sought to take power from the Byzantine emperor, and Volodymyr threw the power of Rus on the side of the Byzantine emperor, and helped to win, helped the Byzantine emperor to preserve power in a campaign in, you guessed it, Crimea. So Volodymyr, having done this, then says, I would now like to marry the sister of the emperor, which is a big ask, but the circumstances were what they were. And the Byzantines answered, not surprisingly, yes, but there's a little proviso, which is that you must convert to Christianity. Okay, so this is all, this is all it's a little power play. The Rus helped the Byzantine ruler, but then there's the larger power play which is happening all over Eastern Europe, which is that one or the other of these large states is eventually going to get you to convert to its version of Christianity. This time the conversion sticks. There's a permanent link now between Byzantium and Rus. Rus soldiers remain in Constantinople as an imperial guard. The Byzantine emperor sends Greek-speaking churchmen to Kiev. Churches are built, most famously St. Sophia, which still stands in the center of Kiev in all of its beauty. Volodymyr ensures that the population of Kiev converts. Idols and temples that he himself had raised or allowed to be built, he destroys, has thrown into the river. And as a result, Rus becomes part of the Byzantine world, and in a couple of ways, part of the classical world. One way is continuity. The continuity of Greece, Rome, Byzantium, and Rus. That's one way. But the other way is that Rus is now going to extend territorially northwards this classical civilization which had never gotten so far north.